Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Golang tutorial, we'll check whether a given string is a palindrome or not using simple Go code and live explanation. A palindrome is a word face of sequence that reads the same two words and backwards. Example, madam and racecar, or even one to one. Let's write a Go program that checks if a string is a palindrome or not. So let's begin with the basic Go program. First, we will define our package and import required libraries. So package main and import like our package is fmt or strings. We will create a function called is palindrome. So that takes a string and return a boolean. Okay, here here we convert convert the string to lowercase and remove the spaces. So we are use the strings dot replace all function inbuilt function, and this is our string, and this is remove part and replace it now. Okay, and after convert the string to Rune to handle Unicode Unicode characters. Okay, so convert these runes and take the length of runes to our string length. Okay, use the for loop. Use the for loop to compare character from both ends of the string. So first we define the index I, and our loop is length of by 2 because of check of palindrome. So first two characters match to the last characters. Okay, so our loop is running on the of only I by 2. Okay. Mm, so we will check if runes and its ith index is not equals to runes of length minus 1 and that's index I. Okay, if this is not true, so return the false, and if it's random string, so return is true. Okay, Let's create our main function and test with a few examples. Okay, so our main function main. Okay, so our test string is like the madam. Okay, and if it's palindrome, so we pass the test is a palindrome or else identity.println is not a palindrome. Okay, so save. Here we calling the is palindrome function with the string of madam, and the output should be its palindrome. Now let's run code. Go run main.go is main file. We can try with multiple test cases like hello and trigger also. So this is the output is string is palindrome. Or if we type the hello, so save and run. This is not hello is not palindrome. So that's it. You just learned how to check for palindrome is string simple logic. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Golang tutorials. Thank you.